There are many mobile gimbals on the market currently, and some are better than others. But currently, on Kickstarter, Hohem are looking to introduce a new smart selfie gimbal stick with their iSteady Q. With a huge backing already, it looks like something that might make it to the market very soon. I was lucky to get my hands on one, so let's unbox it and see what the hype's all about. So in the box you get this small little box containing a rather nice suede-like material pouch to put your gimbal into, with a charging cable, a USB Type-C with a charge time of about 40 minutes and operational time depending on what you're doing, averaging around 3 to 4 hours. So that's not that bad at all. The gimbal itself only uses one axis, but the idea of this is to be a portable and efficient piece of kit you can throw into your bag. And on first glances, you can see why. Everything folds out rather simply. When it's folded out, the handle operates as a handle should, but if you need it to, you can also pull out the 3 flaps and you'll make yourself a stand. And to be fair, it's quite a sturdy one at that. This does work with iOS and Android, and most phones fit into it, including the much larger ones. What's great about this is the small control panel can act as a removable in-hand controller. I will say it is quite tiny, so it is easy to lose, but nevertheless it brings the controls to your hand if you want to be able to operate this whilst on the stand to get a smooth pan. Because this is only a one-axis gimbal, you're only getting the stabilisation on the X-axis. So do take that into consideration. There is this fantastic dedicated app for Android and iOS called Hohem Joy, and once you download that, you have full control of the gimbal using the mobile and the controller in hand. This button on the left side begins and stops recording. It means you don't have to interfere and touch the mobile, causing somewhat choppy footage. This button on the right controls portrait and landscape mode. This obviously comes extremely handy if you're looking to change between the two, but what it actually does is just locks in the portrait or landscape position for you so you can get that perfect stabilization. The left and right buttons act as your manual pan, and this will create a rotation. However, if you remove your phone, spin this part around until you have it facing up, you'll be able to insert your phone into it like this. Now you'll be able to get 360-degree shots of your surroundings. And with that added selfie stick length, you're going to get some really powerful and amazing shots that you just wouldn't be able to get from other tools. Now the app is pretty impressive, coming with all the standard features your camera app does and more. You obviously have the time lapse, where you get shutter speed and time, slow motion mode, which I will say creates some unique and smooth videos to play around with. You've also got standard photo mode and obviously video. Now my favourite feature is the hidden moment mode. In there you have 5 presets to play around with that control the movement automatically for you so you don't have to do anything. One of my favourites is the motion time lapse. This enables you to set a time of a recording, then your recording duration, and it will automatically begin panning and recording for you. And the after shots are really amazing. The footage is stabilized well and looks extremely clean. There's also Inception, which creates this awesome rotation as you walk, and as you can see, it's really impressive, and the shots you can achieve from this on such a low budget is extremely fantastic. There is tracking in this as well. You have object and face tracking that both work hand in hand to get some pretty smooth shots. Now obviously you are lacking that Z-axis, but as demonstrated with the mode and extreme portability of this, being so small and easy to pop away, you can't deny this small piece of kit is packing in features. The extendable selfie stick, to the stand, and never endless amounts of positions you can have this results in some very professional looking shots you can achieve on such a small budget. I'll link the Kickstarter campaign in the description. Be sure to check them out, as this is sure to be a great piece of kit to hit the market soon. In the meantime, here's a short video containing all the shots performed on this amazing gimbal. Enjoy, till next time.
Bye.